औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद व बारिक वसल्लम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद।
Are you telling me Hamid Mir, that the Pakistani Taliban, and we can talk about the Tehreek-e-Taliban as well, but are you telling me that the existing leadership or the leadership that is emerging in Kabul is not a leadership which is proximate or a proxy of Islamabad, the likes of Sirajuddin Haqqani, the fact that Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed are seen to have a safe haven in Kabul? Is this not true?
I am not making statements. I am only sharing my information with you as a journalist. The person who was released by Afghan Taliban from Pul Charkhi jail in Kabul just 2 days ago, one of them is Maulvi Fakir Muhammad, who is wanted in Pakistan, who is involved in attacks against Pakistani security forces, who openly claims that he is a loyalist of Al-Qaeda. So he was released, and just few days back, the head of the Pakistani Taliban, Mufti Noor Wali Masood, he gave an interview to CNN. Nick Robertson did that interview on CNN, and Mufti Noor Wali Masood clearly said that we are fighting against the state of Pakistan, and he is hiding in the Kunar province of Afghanistan, and Maulvi Muhammad is his deputy. So yes, there are contacts between Afghan Taliban and the Pakistani establishment, but on the other side, the same Pakistani establishment, including Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa and DGISI, they gave a closed-door briefing to the parliamentarians just few days before the takeover of Kabul, just few days before the fall of Kabul. They told the parliamentarians clearly that the Afghan Taliban are no more in our control, and there is no difference between Afghan Taliban and the Pakistani Taliban. Pakistan and America, they were forcing them not to take over Kabul by military force. Prime Minister Imran Khan wrote a column in Washington Post in June 2021 in which he clearly said that Afghan Taliban should not take over Kabul by military force. It will lead to the civil war. Now he is saying that Gulami ki zanjeerein tod di, to ya to pehle wali baat sahi, aaj wali baat sahi hai.
So are you saying that the Afghan Taliban...
But they are not new Taliban. They are the same old Taliban with some new tactics. They have learned the art of diplomacy. They have learned the art of propaganda, how to mislead people. You see, last year they signed a peace agreement with the United States of America in Doha, and they promised that they will resolve the Afghan issue through negotiated settlement, but they occupied Kabul by military force. Your Indian viewers are concerned, I must tell you that India and Afghan Taliban, they are in contact since last 1 year. Last year, Abbas Stanakzai, who is a Taliban negotiator, he met some Indian retired diplomats and some other people in Moscow. And just 2 weeks back, just a few days before the fall of Kabul, the Indian government had their a formal meeting with the Afghan Taliban in Doha, and just 1 day ago, yes, last evening, Zabihullah Mujahid was telling me that we have conveyed to the Indian embassy in Kabul that don't worry, we will take care of your safety, and
So
don't worry. We will provide full protection to you.
So you
It is not only India which should be worried. I already told you that Maulvi Fakir Muhammad, who was released from Kabul jail just 2 days back, he's an enemy of Pakistan. And plus, there are some other countries. Jindullah, which is active in the Iranian Balochistan, they are fighting against the state of Iran. They are allies of Afghan Taliban. Islamic Movement of Uzbekistan, which is fighting against the state of Uzbekistan, they are also the allies of Afghan Taliban. Then the Chinese Muslims, they are also I know many Chinese Muslims who are part of the Afghan Taliban. Then there are Tajik Talibs, not from the Afghan Tajik side, but from the Tajikistan side. There are some militants from Tajikistan who are part of Afghan Taliban. Then there are Indians, there are Bangladeshis, there are people from Myanmar, there are some Arabs. So I think that the Afghan Taliban will have a big challenge in coming few days. It is not only India and Pakistan and Uzbekistan and Tajikistan and Iran and China and Bangladesh, but there are many other countries, including United States of America.
answer. Do you see the ISI reports in India that the ISI GHQ are celebrating? Are those reports true or not?
You see, I am not a spokesperson of Pakistan Army, and I don't
No, you're
have.
not. I'm giving you. I want information. Is it true that there is a upbeat mood?
I already shared my information with you that just few weeks back, the Pakistani Army Chief and the Director General of the ISI, he gave a briefing to the Pakistani parliamentarians, and they said that Afghan Taliban are not in our control. But on the other side, Prime Minister Imran Khan and some of his ministers, they are giving an impression that they are very happy over the fall of Kabul. So this is a big contradiction. The briefing which was given to the parliamentarians by the security establishment is different, and the reaction of Prime Minister Imran Khan and some of his ministers after the fall of Kabul is different. So this is a contradiction, and it will become a big challenge for Pakistan in coming few days.